thank you, Kim. I wonder if he planted the flowers too. Look
Our
at that
shadows are in the way here.
I wonder if he planted the flowers too.
I don't know, 'cause they look like wildflowers. Hello, buddy. That's so sweet.
He would have been 18 this month. I miss him.
I really like the way he did the brick.
Yeah.
Oh, hi there.
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
Whoa.
Like my new shirt.
Hey, I want a shirt like that.
Well, here. You can have one.
Whoa.
You happy now? Oh. Are you not gonna help?
Who was it that said I should use an empty mug?
Me! What am I filming? What do you want me to film? What's going on?
Who? What? Wait.
That's their Jeep.
Who? Where? That's them.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
They're
them.
here.
That's who?
They're here.
Wait,
Okay.
are they here yet?
What's going on?
Who? Where?
They're looking at us.
Huh? Where?
Okay, let's go. Go. Just go.
Are they there yet?
Yeah,
Are they there
they're
yet?
here.
Oh,
That's their
who's
Jeep,
it?
in case you're wondering.
Look at all their stickers.
Okay, hold on.
Show me
I
the
got a
stickers.
flag.
Who are we here with? Oh my goodness. Who is that, Crystal?
Oh, look at the mask. Look at the mask.
Oh. Look at their stickers. Wow. Used to be out in the middle of the lake before the lake was there.
Oh, okay.
That's an old plantation house. They call it the Spettle House.
Okay.
So right before they built the dam and flooded the lake area, that house was moved up here. There is a historical marker out
Yeah,
front,
we saw the historical marker.
but they're letting it go into disrepair. When we first came out here, it was not as in bad shape, and over the past couple of years it's gotten really bad. Now, from my understanding is they actually used to have activities in that house. For the kids and the scouts and all that stuff. But the reason I stopped here is because I thought it was a picture.
No.
Yeah, we did.
Is that a chimichanga? It's a burrito. Oh, God.
Wow.
Gotta get yourself in it.
Are we recording? What am I supposed to be here doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Hey folks. Well, RV Foodies showed us how to do this and showed me how easy it was. So now that both of my awning handles are busted, I've ordered new ones off of Amazon and I'm going to replace them. And Mel came by to help me.
Hi, I'm Mel.
Hi.
Somewhere over there built a car and they did it in one day. They didn't know what to call it, but they were telling their friend about how they built this car in one day. And their friend looks at him and goes, "Dasun?"
Oh yeah, now it's Nissan.
Nissan? had a little weeble wobble.
I may not be a smart man, but I do know that was crooked. I do know what a drill is, Jenny.
Did I not get one big enough?
Get it out!
I don't think I got a big
How's
enough
the
drill bit.
noise?
I don't think I got a big enough bit. It's going right down in the middle of the rivet.
Mm-hmm. He's a good boy. See that movie Swing Blade? Never seen Swing Blade?
Dad, was that your phone?
Yeah.
Now what you doing?
Getting the rest of the rivets out of the inside.
There's a frog in there?
Did that new one come with a little gasket?
No.
So I'm gonna...
Is that the new one?
Yep.
That quickly?
Yep. It's that easy.
You don't even have a staples button to push.
Do I have the correct size in there, or do we gotta redo that?
Rider.
And I need to... Well,
What? Did you break it?
no, it disintegrated on me.
The gasket.
Kinda. We got half a gasket, a hagget, a half skit.
Oops. Is that going to be an issue?
Nah, I need to get... Oh, you brought it over here already.
He came prepared, unlike you.
Yeah, I bring one tool and you bring everything else.
You weren't ever a Boy Scout, were you?
Yeah, it was actually, but
Oh!
I didn't make it to Eagle Scout though.
You make it so easy to get a good angle.
Do I?
No. That was sarcasm.
Where'd that nut go?
What's it look like?
A nut. Little silver nut.
Right there.
Yeah, man. Thank you for your eyes.
You
And
paid for them.
she can't see without
But
the
see,
glasses.
this is what happened. When I went and got my government card, they said, "Do you want to be a donor?" I said, "Absolutely." And I said, "I'll go one further." And they said, "What's that?" I said, "The person that gets these eyes get a free pair of glasses." and she just looked at me. I said, "Hey, that's a bonus. I'm throwing that in.
Right?
Got to be happy. I had to pay for these."
Hey,
That's it.
and if we hey, that works pretty darn good.
There you go.
Now we might use the awning more.
Are you ready to be on camera?
Did
I
y'all
got
do
just a
this
few
or
more
you
bugs
never
to
did
get off the other
There.
mirror.
You got more bugs?
Yeah, try and get all the bugs off so they ain't in your film.
Well, hi.
Hey! What'd you think? Hello, YouTube. Uh-oh. So, we're going to do some magic.
Magic.
Magic. Can you see this? Can you see
Magic.
it? Can you see it? Can you
Magic.
see it? Can you see it?
Ollie's
See how
running.
dirty these are? Well, not just dirty, but discolored and just... We are going to use... With this Armor All Ultra Shine, we're going to just put that on
Wait,
it. Wait.
I wasn't looking at it. Your turn.
This Armor All Ultra Shine, we're going to just... And then one pad for each side of the step 2.
Ow. Ow.
You like my haircut?
You
Woo!
Uh-oh.
Let's see which ones have better elbow grease.
Oh, it's a
Armor All. Yeah.
That was cool. Armor, I can't do it.
What's it say to do?
I don't know.
Let me read the directions.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna read the directions.
It says to wipe and then gripe. Because it's not working.
Oh my God, it's taking off the...
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's like Holland color. I hope they have
Oh,
wax
wow.
on, wax off.
That looks good.
Oh yeah, wax on, wax
Yeah,
off.
look at the difference already.
It just clouds right back up again.
And then the other one, it says ensure the surface is dry before applying sealant. For best results, first wipe surface with a clean, lint-free towel. Open UV sealant protection pouch and pull out wipe. Then apply the headlight.
Well, I gave you that so you could do that side.
Oh, did you?
You gonna put him to work?
Hey,
No.
I can.
my elbow runs out of grease pretty quick, man.
That's called German
Only if you
engineering.
want to.
I have been replaced.
Let's see how much grease.
No.
No elbow grease.
German engineering.
Well, this one's coming out pretty clean. So it says I should do the other one too?
Yeah.
Right, but we were thinking the white was gonna be transparent.
I mean, that's actually better than I thought it would work.
Yeah.
Yeah. This
I mean,
is the
wait
first
till you
time
see
I've
the
ever seen
video.
something work like this. Because I've had the one you put on the end of a drill. And
You're actually making Mel work.
Yes.
But then, I've trusted Armor All products quite a bit. For some reason,
Just don't
you
put it
got
on
the
your steering
knockoffs
wheel.
that you try those and they just don't work the same.
don't put it on your motorcycle seat.
Oh, slippery.
Doesn't work either.
Yep. Either slippery
Not if
or
you want to
sticky.
stay on it.
My sister. I'm gonna miss you. You better call me.
Did you tell them about dinner?
And I
Yeah.
hope
Yeah.
it's gonna be January will be here soon.
I know. Then how does the film go away, baby?
I don't know.
That finishing white.
Oh, you're my baby.
It's,
He answered.
it's foggy.
I know.
It's very foggy. As long as it isn't froggy.
I was thinking for Halloween, you need to do the Monster Mash song.
It's the mash.
It was a monster mash.
It's the mash.
It caught on in a
It was a
flash.
graveyard smash.
Out from the coffin his voice would ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. He opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
Make sure you got that on film.
Dad, your 2 minutes is up.
Thank you. So 2 minutes
I mean,
on
it's over
Mel,
up.
2 minutes on his,
Okay.
and I'll do the step 2. What's the step 2 instructions say?
Use
the
wipe
white.
it dry.
He read it to you.
Yeah.
You forgot.
Make
That
it
was-
dry.
That was 2
That was
minutes
then,
ago.
this is now.
You know, I don't think they should call anything number 1 and number 2 other than what it is. I don't think they ought to have number 1 and number 2 on a food menu and make number 3 a combo.
Right.
That should not be on food.
Anytime I ask Dad, I'm like, do you want number 1 or 2? And he's always like, I'm never going to pick number 2.
Did it come with a clock?
Nope.
No, but I'm sure Armor All sells a cloth. I'm sure they even sell elbow grease.
What about the one that you brought?
She says, sir, do you smoke? I said, only when I'm on fire. And she said, okay.
It's at least not as yellow.
It works or what? I hope it works.
All right.
If not, we got something that will.
What's that one?
You doing that one?
The sealer.
That cloth. No, it was because it dried milky. And then the sealer?
Step 2.
Is it still going to be milky?
I hope
don't
not.
know. I'm going to let you do yours first.
It's not milky when
How
you
am
put
I
that
supposed
on.
to do this one? Just rub it on there?
I have no idea.
Yeah, rub it.
I read the instructions and I already forgot what they said.
Ensure that the surface is dry before applying. Open the UV sealant protection pouch and pull out wipe. Apply to the headlight surface by wiping in one direction, similar to applying a coat of paint.
Oh. I certainly didn't do that.
I did not do it.
Surface will be dry to touch in about 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Well, I guess we won't be buttering them.
Do not touch surface.
3 hours?
It looks real clear.
Wow.
Yeah.
It looks real. It's clear.
Yeah, better than the.
Can you believe the difference?
You can
No.
look at his side right now without it. So now you do the other side.
Boy, he's still got stuff on that one.
Yeah, they said you can use one wipe if you don't need to
Yeah.
open the other one.
Why?
Well, I'm going to do it the same way I did that one. Ain't
Never
no-
waste a wipe. Just
There's a
saying.
wipe shortage. Right?
Yeah.
I even got the turn signal. Did you do the turn signal?
Yes.
Ah!
I guess that one's done.
That's called a wipeout.
Yeah.
I can put all that stuff back in there.
That's called
Well,
And then there's one that's not open.
what good is it?
Well, because you're still going to use the box. Eh? You're going to go like this. Eh? Free. It's going to be shiny.
It looks good.
Or start with it in front of it and then take it away. Don't
Look.
have to whack it.
Yeah. Well, but I was talking while I did it, wasn't I?
No, it doesn't matter. I'll figure it out.
Are you sure?
Yes, just do it.
To put some Monster Mash music.
But you can go, I can't believe it's not butter.
We're going to use this stuff.
Don't talk, just, yeah. Okay. There you go.
Right. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Where are we pointing? Right
Over
there?
here? Yep. If you're not already subscribed to us, click on the logo over here and subscribe.
Yeah.
Right up here's a video we think you might like. And right
Down
down
here.
here's a playlist with feature that's all, folks.
And down here, we're featured in other people's channels, so watch.
Yay! Thank you. Bye.
Bye.